welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be making macaroni. Yay! Nanny Allison out. She said that if she's going to be in the video, she got to look nice. First, we got to open it. It's kind of hard, anything. So first we got to take the packet out, of course. While we're doing this, we're going to shake this up. Like that, and then it got to boil. I need milk to add in, so I'm gonna go get it.
It's about a half cup of milk.
Can I drink this?
Then you want any milk?
A little bit.
I don't care. It's milk.
It's milk.
A strainer, because we have to strain the macaroni.
We gotta get a strainer.
Get that green one. The green one's good.
We gotta strain the macaroni, but make sure that adult helps you with this.
Oh, definitely.
Because it's very hot.
We're going to have some fun. All right, hang on.
So she's gonna strain the macaroni.
All right, I'm gonna put some cold water on it.
And she's gonna put some cold water on it, so it won't be so hot. Some wide. So you can just pour that in. We're gonna stir it, but we're also gonna add the milk, the half cup of milk.
Not all. Well, you can put it on. Okay. And you stir it up.
You stir it up. You add milk to make it easier.
And tastier.
Yeah. And guys, when you're mixing, you gotta make sure that there's adult next to it.
That's how you make
Macaroni. But we gotta do a taste test.
Yes, go ahead. Is it good?
We're gonna
A taste test, because Paige made this all by her little old self. Good. Great job, Paige.
Back to me. Bye.
Bye.